Hey, Rhoda, what should we make for dinner today?
Let's make an oven-baked spaghetti.
Okay, I could get down with that. Tell me more.
So we're gonna do uncooked spaghetti, marinara, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning or oregano.
Oh, yes, that's a great idea. And then cover it with water so that way it can obviously cook.
Yes, but we have to mix it really well to make sure that the spaghetti noodles don't stick together.
Yes, and then cover it and then bake it.
Yeah, and then halfway through we'll mix it just to make sure it doesn't stick.
Okay, I like that idea. And then after that, we got to add a topping. We can't just leave it like this.
Mozzarella cheese, hello.
Yes, okay. I'm so for this. And then rebake it. So then what happens?
So it'll get nice and like bubbly and it'll be
Yes, I like that idea. Okay, let's twirl this spaghetti.
And get this. Oh my God.
Yes.
Talk about easy, delicious, and so damn good. Yes.
Growing up, my mom refused to buy pasta sauce from the store because she believed homemade is healthier. So I'm going to show you her 15-minute creamy rigatoni recipe. Boil your pasta and in a separate pan, combine garlic, chili flakes, onions, and your two main herbs, oregano and rosemary. Next, as shown on the screen, add in crushed tomatoes, a spoon of sugar, milk, top it off with mozzarella and pasta water. It's so easy, and that's why.
This salad is the reason I married my husband. I wish I was joking, but I'm not. It's really that good. And you're going to use this as a chance to practice your chopping skills, so take your time and relax. First start with the cucumber, then move to the red onion. Make it as small as you possibly can. Use a tomato knife when you're chopping tomatoes. I promise it's going to make it so much easier. I also like to add black olives. You don't have to. They're Kalamata olives, actually. And the dressing is the juice of 2 lemons, olive oil, and salt. We finish this off in literally a minute. Look at that.